back and forth. We have chaos the red.
Hey, is this better than school?
Yeah!
Hey y'all, we're here at the bottom of Pike's Peak. We're at the Santa's Workshop North Pole in Colorado Springs. Today kicks off their official holiday season here at the amusement park. This is a vintage Christmas themed amusement park. It's been in operation since 1956. Josh used to come in here as a kid.
Yep. Grandpa used to bring me here when I was little, and I still have some of the greatest memories here. So we're trying to make the same memories with our girls.
And we've been here before, but we are excited to spend the day here. We're not skipping Thanksgiving, but since this is the kickoff of the holiday season, we're in our Christmas garb and we're gonna spend the day.
And we are not really skipping school. We did take them out a little bit early on Friday. But
we are skipping Monday.
Yeah, Monday we are taking a mental health day. So they will be marked absent on Monday. But hey, girls, is it worth it?
Yeah!
All right, let's go have some fun.
Yeah!
No pets allowed. That means y'all got to stay in the car.
No, what? I wish pets were allowed. We could bring Barrett
Yeah.
and Oliver. Well, probably not Oliver. He's feisty.
We were here on November 1st, so the day after Halloween, and what was great was the weather was cold, so it kind of put you in that Christmassy mood. But there was also not a very big crowd. I don't think we waited more than 5 minutes on any of the rides. The girls love the cars. Those were one of their favorite rides, but some of the rides they were actually a little too tall for now, so they couldn't ride those. But the big candy cane slide is always one of their favorites.
Here we go. Just as fun as I remember it. Whee!
Alright, once we got all the slides in, against my better judgment, I rode the sky ride with Lila. I am not a fan of heights, and dangling me above the ground is not one of my favorite things to do, but it did produce a beautiful view, and Lila really enjoyed it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't.
Well, I don't like heights that much. Don't lean over, Lila.
Gosh, that is so high up.
What did you think about the sky ride?
Mommy did.
Did you like it?
I loved it.
Did you get to see the whole park?
Yeah, and
Pretty
y'all.
much. There's a lot of trees, but
Yeah.
it is pretty. It's very quiet there, except for Lila.
Yeah, except
It's
for
the
Lila.
only noise around.
This area is one of my favorites. I love the fire pits. It's so nice to sit around them and warm up a little bit. They also have a little toy store and a candy store, and you can also buy some s'mores packets if you want to make s'mores at the fire pit. Then we all jumped on the train. This train is really neat because it takes you on a ride around the park, but it also gives you the history of the park and the history of the area. Then it was time to go see Santa on his very first day back at the North Pole.
What do you want for Christmas?
I really want a makeup set.
Makeup set? What do you want for Christmas?
Piano.
A piano?
That's
Hello, guys.
Hi.
Come on over. I got two seats. Say Velveeta.
Evita.
Velveeta. It's cheese in elf language. That's how elves say cheese. Just like they say bingo hockey for bicycle.
Yeah.
What would you like for Christmas?
I want something.
Play-Doh. How about you? A piano.
We have both ends of
Are
the.
you taking us? Where do you want to take us? And you two going to be good listeners for Mom?
Yes.
The first time. The first time. You're not going to wait for Dad to raise his voice to get your attention, right? All right. Okay, no more eye rolling when Mom tells you to do something.
Everly, he sees, he knows.
You're going to clean up your room and stop hiding things in the closet or under the bed and say it's cleaned up.
It's like he knows you, right?
You got to work on these things, okay?
Okay.
You got 54 more sleeps till Christmas.
It's not very
Right.
much.
He's gonna send Ginger Snap to keep an eye on you.
Yep. Or Elf.
Yeah, they usually go out about the week of Thanksgiving.
So you got
Okay.
about another 26 days.
Yep. Won't be long.
Alrighty. You got a hug for Mrs. Claus?
Yes.
Thank you, girls.
Here, turn around so Mom can take a picture.
Here, let me get a picture of you guys. Everly, get over there, baby.
Get over there. Cheese.
Thank you.
Thank y'all so much.
After the girls gave their lists to Santa, it was off to ride some more rides. These rides here are so cute. They're these older vintage rides. And what was nice this year was that the girls are a little older and a little more independent and really didn't want us riding these rides with them. And I'm so glad because of all the spinning. Every ride out here spins, and I was so glad that the girls want to tackle that on their own. Josh and Everly opted out of this little roller coaster, but Lila and I rode it, and we had a lot of fun. It was about lunchtime, so we took a little break, grabbed some food and some funnel cake.
Hey, say something for us. They brought 4.
Here we go.
It's not bad right now, but
Swing your feet. Just like a swing.
wow, so bad. Oh my gosh, it just gives you a little boost.
Yeah, it gives you a little boost. See? Whee! Up to the sky, huh?
This is higher than usual.
Yeah. Feel your tummy?
Yeah, obviously.
Good job.
Yay! I did it!
I'm proud of you. High five. Here we go.
Woo! This is actually kind of fun now. You squished me. Woo! You're squishing me. You're squishing me.
There's Everly.
Lila Bo giggled like this the entire ride. It was so funny, and Josh and I were getting so tickled just listening to her. Everly is not a fan of the faster rides. She does not like the scrambler, and she hates the tilt-a-whirl. So we're working with her on that, and hopefully she'll get on some of these faster rides with us soon. After we got done with all the rides and shopping, we decided it was time to head out. We got there about 9 o'clock in the morning, and we finished up probably about 2:30. But we were ready to go get some food.
Well, we conquered the North Pole.
Yep, had a lot of fun. Rode lots of rides. The girls had a great time. Girls, did you have a good time?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, now that we got that all taken care of and done, we are going to grab some dinner and a couple drinks and hang
We're
out.
down in the old Colorado City Historic District. It's here in Colorado Springs, and we found a place called Mother Muffs. Kim's highly recommended. They serve breakfast all day. They've got a ton of craft beer, big drink menu,
So,
breakfast, lunch, and dinner all the time. So
Lila is my breakfast eater, so she'll probably want breakfast. So, we're going to go in here. We're going to go in here and check this place out.
Yep.
So,
We've been to Colorado Springs several times, and we wanted to find somewhere new and unique to eat. So I had heard about Mother Muffs, so we thought we'd try them out. They do serve breakfast all day long. Everly had the blueberry waffles, and Lila had a big plate of pancakes. I had probably the best BLT of my life. The bacon on these sandwiches is absolutely incredible. Josh had a great sandwich with a fried egg on it. We got a couple of drinks, but let me tell you, at Mother Muffs, you can literally order a basket of bacon. Like the really good thick bacon in all kinds of different flavors. So that in and of itself is totally worth it. Both of the girls really love Mother Muffs, so that was definitely a win for us. If you guys have any questions about the North Pole or Mother Muffs, you can drop those in the comments. And if you've enjoyed our content, please consider subscribing. We'll see y'all out there.
These pancakes, bacon is the best.
Yeah? How are your waffles?
If there's a pancake, a bacon in my pancake, then I'll have bacon pancakes.
Okay. I thought I got pooped on.
That is the entrance. Mommy, that's the entrance.
I know. Let me try to dodge all the people trying to get up here.
Excuse me.
Your burger's unhappy?
I said burger.
You alright?
No. Hey, a rocket ship.
Mom,
Okay.
how's your hot dog?
It's
Uneasy?
it's being, what do you call it? Like, you know when you put stuff in a centrifuge and it,
Spins it around?
oh, yeah, it's fun though.
Hey, I want to do it again. Again.
Dude, my hot dog is not happy right now.
That was
Yeah, it really
fun. Yeah. But it was fun. I want to go again.
You want to go
No,
again?
not right
Yeah.
now. I just ate lunch. That was a little too soon.